How to connect CJ Dropshipping to WooCommerce. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase your selling potential on WooCommerce by adding products via CJ Dropshipping. So to get started, you need to open the web browser. Here, search for CJ Dropshipping. Click to open its official website. Once you're in, make sure to log in to your account. Then click on Authorization. From the list, you need to click on WooCommerce. As you can see that you haven't authorized your store yet. So click on How to connect WooCommerce by default. It will show you the steps to complete your authorization process. Click on the demo video to see more details. After that, go back to the previous page. Here, click on Add Store. Now you need to enter your site URL here. Once you're done, click to authorize. Your WooCommerce store will be connected to CJ Dropshipping.